Hello everyone and welcome to another class of Physiology for Engineers with Professor Gonzalez-Fernandez at Lehigh University. Today we are going to look at antibodies. We are going to dive into the process of antibody production, the structure of the antibodies, the different types of antibodies, and also at antibody functions. So first of all, we are going to start with the process of antibody production. So in the process of antibody production, the B cells are especially important. Okay, so these B cells, once there is a bacterial infection or a viral infection, they are going to be antigens. And these B cells, they are going to express antibodies, a specific type of antibodies, IgDs, that we are going to look in a second. And these antibodies, they are going to interact with the different antigens from the infection. And this process in which the B cells, which are inactive, they are going to interact with antigen is called B cell sensitization. Okay, so these antigens, they are going to interact with the antibodies in the surface of the B cells. And then these antibodies, they are going to be uptake by the B cells, which are going to displace these antigens in their class 2 major histocompatibility complex. Okay. So once these B cells, they are displaying these antigens in their membrane, then the helper T cells, these helper T cells are going to interact with this class 2 major histocompatibility complex in the B cells through membrane receptors. And then these helper T cells, through this interaction, they are going to start secreting a lot of cytokines. So these cytokines, they are going to activate the B cells. And this process by which the helper T cell is going to interact with the B cell and then give the B cell the okay to start producing antibodies is called the process of B cell activation. So once the B cells are activated, they are going to start the process of division and differentiation. So these activated B cells, they are going to start dividing, and they are also going to start differentiating into two different types of B cells. So the first type of B cell are the memory B cells. So these memory B cells, they are going to be kept in our body for 20 years or longer, and they are the reason why we have long-term immunity. And also, these B cells, they are going to divide and differentiate into another different type of B cell, which are called the plasma cells. So these plasma B cells are extremely important because they are going to secrete the antibodies. So these antibodies, they are going to be the specific mediators for resolving the bacterial and the viral infections that we might encounter. So these plasma cells are really important because they are going to produce a lot of antibodies at a really high speed. So they are going to produce over 100 million antibodies per hour when this process happens. So we can defend ourselves from bacterial toxins and also from viral infections. Okay, so now we are going to look a little bit more in depth at the structure and the different types of antibodies. So just give me a sec that I delete this.